All right, here's your warm up. Just wanted to kind of reflect on it a little bit. There's definitely some processes here that I would like to see instead of just boom, here's my answer. I was definitely hoping to see, do we remember how to carry? Do we remember how to borrow? Do we even know what those terms are? So, anyways, not trying to boast about myself, but I've been doing math for a long time. I've been doing math for about 31 years. I did get a master's in teaching math. So, one thing I'm hinting at is when I do math, I'm not someone who's just going to write a final answer. I'm going to have all the steps and process so you could see where my next number or my new digits have come from. Um, so, being a mathematician in that sense, what I expect you, who's been practicing math for 7 to 8 years, just delete those steps, not have them. No, I want to see that process. So let me show you a couple that I'm of what I'm talking about here. For example, um, let's look at 44 plus 36. So 4 plus 6 we know is 10, but we have to carry the 1. So now we're at 1 plus 4 plus 3, and that equals 8. So our answer is 80. But what I want to make sure is, are you showing me this step up here? Are you showing me what you are carrying? Some of these problems don't require a carry. Like here, 1 plus 7 is 8, and 8 plus 2, 10. We didn't really have to carry anything. I guess I could have put a 0 here and carried a 1 there, but nothing was needed to be carried in the ones place. So, anyways, just make sure you're indicating what you're carrying and where it's coming from and where it's going. Same thing here. Can we take away 6 from 4? So this is 24 subtract 16. Can we take away 6 from 4? No, there's not enough. So we have to borrow from the 2. This becomes 14. So 14 minus 6 is 8, and 1 minus 1, 0. So our answer ends up being 8. Make sure this process is on your sheet. So your warm up in the back of your comp book, if you have none of this, that's really not the goal. Make sure you're showing those steps. So yeah, let's go ahead. Let's take a look what our answer should be. So I'm not sure how far you got. I did kind of time you. Doesn't mean you have to get all these problems done in the 4 or 5 minutes I gave you, but at least you got your brain activated. You got your brain thinking about math, and that's the whole point of our warm ups is to get the right mindset going and get you exploring with numbers again.